Been thinking about starting that YouTube channel, starting that business or that project, or finally using your voice online. But here is the truth. Time waits for no man. Time is not waiting. The time keeps ticking. It waits for no man. It's not waiting for you. Neither is opportunity waiting for you. If you need to start, the time is now. Whatever you want to start it now. Start it afraid. You don't need to wait to be perfect. Just start. So this is a wake-up call to you to start that project, that channel, that talk, that cause, that training you need to start. You've been planning to start. There is no better time than now. The opportunity does not wait for you. All right, so I'm going to give you some reasons why you need to start now. Why do you need to start now? Why am I pleading? Why am I saying that you need to start now? Every day, things are changing. Policies are changing. For instance, YouTube policy is also changing. The YouTube channel, the time is now. If you need to start a project, that time is now. Things are changing. And then the platform maybe you are planning to start, platforms have new platform rules. Things you can find out that things that were easier a couple of weeks or days or months back, it's not that easy. Some apps I was using, CapCut, that was so easy. Things are changing. Things that we're not paying for before, now we are beginning to pay for them. Rules are changing. And then there is more competition. People are getting wiser, people are getting more knowledge, so the competition is now high. So if you don't start now, a couple of years to come, you regret. So please, you need to start immediately. Now, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram are updating their rules every day. So if you want to start talking online, you may be an introvert. There are many introverts. It's when you start, you know that there is strength in you. All right? These platforms are changing on a daily basis. So what is easy to do today may be more difficult tomorrow. What is monetized today may be demonetized tomorrow. And then if you don't start now, you'll be blaming yourself in time to come. So why don't you just start? Okay, sometimes some persons or some people don't start because they are trying to be perfect. They want perfection. They want to learn and do trainings. They want to get better. They want to acquire skills. They want to be perfect before they start. That is one big error people are making. So I'm saying that you should not wait for perfect. So the major problem is that you are waiting to feel ready, you're waiting to get the required gadgets, you're waiting for the setting, you're waiting for this and you're waiting for that. But guess what? No one starts perfect. No one starts perfect. People start from where they are, make progress, and they go towards perfection. Nobody started perfect. Those people you think are perfect, are flawless. Do you know the struggles they had? Do you know when they started and how they started? Nobody starts perfect. Yeah. You could have a one-on-one with them, ask questions. When you see successful people, always ask questions. If they tell you their story, then you know that you're even better at where you are at the moment. The truth is, the best creators, the best influencers, business owners that you have met today started confused. They started confused and they just started all the same. And today you are admiring them. Just listen to their stories. You know that you may be standing a better chance than they had them. But they took the bull by the horn, and today you are applauding them. Today the world is celebrating them. But they started confused. Most of them started confused as well. Regardless of the confusion, they started. So just start now. Your first video may be messy. Your first product may not really have massive sales. Your first upload may just have 3 or 1 view or likes. Regardless of that, progress beats perfection. Any day, anytime, progress beats perfection. And action beats waiting. Yeah, imagine regretting not starting. Imagine this. 2 years from now, you see someone doing that same thing you had in mind to do. They are ahead, earning, growing, and glowing, and you are still at the same spot, still planning. The biggest pain isn't failure, but it's regrets. That's had I known, that's what if, oh, why not, oh, this and that. That is the biggest pain. The biggest pain is regrets. And that pain is within. Like nobody can share with you. It's within, it hurts within. All right? So why don't you save your future? Why don't you do your future that good by taking that decision to start now? Start afraid, start confused, just start it. It will help you. Not next week, not next month, not next year, but now. Start now. Now, do you know why? The rules might change, the platforms might shift, and the opportunity may be lost, and the moment may pass. There is a time and season for everything on earth. There's a time and season. Don't let that moment to pass. In conclusion, I'm pleading that you should start messy, start small, start confused, just start. Start anyways, just start. Start whatever you want, the project, the YouTube channel, the online courses, the project, whatever you want to start, just start. Because today's opportunities won't wait for tomorrow's confidence. Please, the opportunity you have today will not wait for tomorrow's confidence. So please, I'm pleading with you, just start. You may not be that lucky to have a second chance. So please, what is that you need to start? Just start now. Don't wait for perfection. All right. So drop a comment if this sounds like a wake up call for you to start that project, that channel, skill, and all that. It's like a wake up call for you to do that first step or just begin with the first step. All right. So if you found value, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this and have value. Thank you. Bye.